Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bagger, you know when I gotta continue giving them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with Twinkle Twinkle Big Star because she's definitely going far. As you can see, she performed at Galentine's last night. You see, I'm not sure if that's a big deal or not. Only can put in the comment section because you know, her critics always say she's not booked and always on TikTok and all of these things. But as you can see, gal is out there busy and booked. You see, put in the comment section what this Galentine's affair is about, because I'm out the loop. Listen, I just telling the war go on for not to go on, you see it. Yeah, it's a party that's keeping her company. Anyway, from one star to the next, let's talk about, international pop star Queen Shenseea. Former princess of dancehall. Now, I'm just playing, but nah, seriously. It looked like said a man them in a Nairobi, Kenya was planned for take with Shenseea and keep her, as one of their own. You see, she's a prized possession now. But seriously, Shenseea is basically saying her life was in danger if she was going to Kenya to, fulfill her bookings. You see, so she said, so I was booked for Kenya, and due to safety concerns that were brought to my attention, I was told it was best to reschedule. I chose to refund my deposit, then hold on to it without a date being set. The promoters assured me that all monies would be refunded to patrons as well. I look forward to performing in Kenya soon. Thank you to all of my supporters for understanding. Because you imagine it's her first time being in Africa and her fans them upset. So should have to let them know what go on for not to go on. You see, some people. Anyway, let's proceed to the next.
Oh, yeah, she got the fupa. Usher trying to hide that fupa with that hamburger helper glove.
Yes, once again, Usher is a hot topic and he landed on the lips of Foota Hype, who is calling him disrespectful. Listen, and yard man, now they take them things that type of thing. People, boy, them say yard man love watch women from too much, but I think that's far from the truth because he also talks about Jay-Z and Beyonce and Sean Paul's situation. As you can see, Swiss Beats is reacting to his wife being, hugged up by Usher, and he's kind of confident and he's not tripping. This man said, but enough of me talking, let's hear what Foota said and then we proceed.
Yo, are the biggest viral we go on. Are the biggest viral we go on. Swiss Beat just attack so because him love him wife and him a try protect her publicly. Me know that Swiss Beat's gonna slap her all on her mouth. In a quiet. Yeah, but Bantan, what can I name that? Bantan. Me not married. Nobody know no wife for me. I'm a public figure wife. Me live a private life. So, even if me a wife and a girl out there now embarrass my other part, and my other part know where me I work. What I say about Swiss Beats and she, public figure, married, blood clot Usher know the man. No, Alicia Keys are not even that type of girl there. I'm not even that type of girl there. And like our Megan Thee Stallion, our Sexy Red, or one of them girls we hate and nasty like shit. Him do what him do for spite. Usher style Swiss Beats. Nobody can tell me nothing. I style him, man. I style him, man. Him forget our box. I said so him make Kiki and our man left. And him tried to Mary J. Blige and Mary J. Blige and say, oh, remember me, all the man, me know the game. Don't do that. Move. It's not planned, Pooch. It's not planned. Usher plan it, but Alicia Keys not plan it. Usher plan it, Alicia Keys shock your fuck. If she never put her hand on him and the man that grab all the breast. Come like you know, see what I go on. Alicia, I you can't read body language and them something, you know. Alicia Keys shock your fuck. And she pick up on it from him and touch her bottom. That's why she goes up on the stage. And Usher still go over there. Yeah. Violation. Boy, Usher violate. People do not understand. Even if them used to fuck. Even if them used to fuck. Him fi know say a Swiss woman now. And Swiss brawling with it and married. Have some respect, my youth. Him deliberately do that for this the man. Me I tell you. Wave. Me I tell you say the boy Usher. Remember them not gone away without family. You know? Everywhere Alicia go she and Swiss beats in a bridging. Man go down in a crowd with him. Youth them in a dog. I watch it things say in a dog. The man in the crowd with him, youth them in a dog. Hey. Remember this, you know. If a girl is a whore and authorize fuck it already, D fuck it already, Mataran fuck it already, Sky Juice fuck it already, LA Lewis fuck it already, and me have it now, and me choose to wife it up right now, you have to know say, I'm my bumbo clot bitch now, you know. Once you see me wifing her up, don't come to that. Don't come to that. Don't do that, youth. I know uncle my bitch have violated, you know. Because you used to fuck it or whatever, you know. Allegedly. We are alleged, say, Usher used to fuck it. And my bitch now. And me and her there in another venue here together. And my risk me with hey boy. How what you do? What you do, boy? What you doing? The fuck you doing? If I hear a junker, I'm my junker tonight. And me and her come here tonight. And me have to pick out her feather them the ramp. See the junker and low it tonight. Cause I'm my pitchery. What the fuck you mean? All if you and her fuck this morning. You see, now when you see me and her out of Super Bowl, act like you don't know no boy. Cause anything you do and me have cause anything you do and me have vex her on her phone then. And you not talk. Don't feel like you walk up. You see me and her over here so like a dance two souls. You come boy, girl, I want me shoot you my youth. Move! You mad? In front of me right there, so? So we are trying to do my credibility. Move! All of you piss pan her yesterday. And shit pan her. And me beat her off and have her here so today. No ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. What you tell me say? I'm my vomit tonight. Wait till you see her by yourself tomorrow. Now ramp with me, dog. Go to flavor, allow me to tell. That, if a girl a go-go, and when you're going to the club, and you're a special go-go that, and me choose to carry her out tonight at one of the hottest party them, as my woman. Oh, you gonna feel, and a club here now, and a strip club here now, you see her out there, so we are done. So my mattress tonight, move boy. Yo, there's something burn me and on me. Yo, me say, the thing burn me I'm here in a Swiss Beats, Bridget. Me no want a man tell me nothing. Usher violate. Shana, I'm in a business. Why you want to do? You know, you may say, if Usher did just fuck it backstage. When you come out on stage, remember good. Say, a Foota beats woman that Mother go backstage and wait till them come off and give him one blood clot box in his face. What? Super Bowl is a mash up. Super Bowl is a mash up. You mad? But you don't understand what I say. Me can't blame Alicia Keys because she's shocked. You can look upon her and she says she's shocked. You can't say that she... Alright, if them did do one more song, should have come off and stage left him, you know? Oh, I'm talking about bumbleclad insecure. Insecurity when you go crazy and attack woman about what you don't know about. And a bother woman about what that's on a search phone. That's insecurity. Oh, not about insecurity. Now, idiot. That was happening on stage. And me not sure. But me almost guarantee say Switch Beats in the crowd with him youth them. With him pitney them. Usher know what him do. If the woman never rest her hand on him answer, you know, he would have grabbed the woman breast, you know. Come like couldn't blind to, come like couldn't see what go on. What go on, Lady Illy? He come like couldn't see what go on. Like seriously. Alright, I could use example now. Look how Lady Illy sexy and cock up and thick and look good and she don't look her age, she look young. You would think say me could have go and dance at Canada now. And see she come out with Night Trouble as her husband. And as horny as me be, and as sexy as she look, and no matter how me a fuck her in my brain, me could have go play like more do you mad? Mother deserve to get this car, the woman husband the right there, so. Control yourself, have manners. When you see Lady Illy one away now, at the mall or somewhere, or a little chicken shop or something, or you sliding her DM or something privately, but you can't disrespect the things, so. How you do that? You're gonna make all the woman look like a pussy wall. More life, you talk fucker. Swiss gonna say never have a problem because it's public. Then watch it now, Gandhi. You know, see the woman a step left Usher saying, me a walk you down. Remember say 2 times in brush man pon her body over the side and the woman goes so whoop over the next side and change it. He come passing and Usher say, over there. Out of order, dog. Out of order, dog. Out of order. May I be honest with you now. You see, even when a woman a hide, I give me a look front, and me see her and her man, me humble myself. All the emotions are run through my body. And me say, blood clot, look how me girl thick and sexy, Jesus Christ. Me a hold it. Me have to hold it, dog. And know say, dog, respect the girl situation, dog. You understand what I say? Usher, him look, yo, the man show me say, him not no respect for Swiss Beats, dog. I want him to disrespecting. After any of my call from P. Diddy, here come hold up straight man, woman. Hey boy, a box here, you see, hey. You mad? Una left out the rest of where Usher said, don't leave your girl around me at you play for real. Ask Puff Daddy. Una left out that part there. Oh, no, left out that part there. Oh, no, left out that part there. Oh, no, left out that part there. Remember, it never done this, so it's a true player for real. Him say, ask Puff Daddy. I want him to him violate Swiss Beats. Him violate Swiss Beats. Swiss Beats and the dog them for go fever and box him. And we say, yeah, Usher, you're a singer, bad singer, legend, but you violate if you get 2 bucks with you. See, Gandhi I watch right through, Gandhi say all on our front, the man go, Jesus, I'm crying. Gandhi, man, you make me send Swiss Beats go kill Usher to pussy clap. And he mash up Kiki relationship. I want that him I try to feel up Mary J. Blige. You know the woman is, boy, you ain't got no kids yet, I should give you one. Mary J. Blige say, move, little boy.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, it look like this is a touchy topic for Foota hype, you see, man. Chano. Anyway, he talks about some more stuff, so let's hear.
You want me to lick a shot in your face, then them say me kill you over girl, yeah. Me kill you over the disrespect, and over the girl, you know. Over disrespect. Boy, what you do? Where you try do? Nobody ramp. And a girl, me kill you over disrespect, you know, rate, man. I want to you. So badness, you take it to them, how you mean? Run something to your face, pussy. I want to you. Even if you fuck me girl, my youth, when you see me and her, know yourself. Know yourself, cause this, I know she had this now and me had this. You understand? And me had this. What you talk about? You know say a Swiss Beats wife. You know the man in the crowd and him pitting them. Why would you be doing that? So we are give Usher the benefit of the doubt, you know. Zine? We are give Usher the benefit of the doubt. Say, Usher used to beat it before Swiss Beats have it. Usher, you know, I know the man girlfriend, you know. I know the man girl, you know. I know the man concubine, you know, dog. And the man wife. I know the quiet wife, when nobody don't know the man wife publicly. Big power couple. After Jay-Z and Beyonce was Kanye and Kim and them mash up. As Swiss Beats and Alicia the next power couple. We are do. We are do. We are do. So here me I say people. On a different subject now. Me never know say the show when name Essence of Reggae at Jamaica. Police go lock it off too. Me never know. So people, let me ask you something. So every reggae event I lock off at Jamaica? Let me ask you something. At every reggae show I lock off at Jamaica? No, I want somebody answer me, you know. Cause I yesterday here, me never did know. Big up Frankie Music. And big up the whole artists them book Sizzler, Ayactian, Bugle. You know what I mean? But oh, big up Joshy too. And what really are going? Them lock off Essence of Reggae with police. So the Isle of Soca them now lock off. But all of the mainstream reggae party them where reggae people are keep, I lock off. I mean, I understand this. What is going on? Obviously, there's a mission to destroy reggae. No. Make it make sense. Popcorn Show, Rebel Salute. Know this? Essence of reggae. How are really going? Next thing again.
Yeah, crazy, never lazy. Putting in the comment section what you think about that. People, don't forget to go up on the Boom Bye Bye TV channel, you know, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, more drama with Dewey and Queenie, as you can say, RT Boss. Just attacking everything. You see, man, I said like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.